Hello, everybody. What's going on? So, look, today I just decided to show y'all me cleaning up my house because it's being neglected. it's being neglected. So, look, like I just came from court for work, whatever. That's what I do. And now I got my cleanup clothes on. Got my cleanup clothes on. And it is time to get my house clean. Just to show y'all what's going on. Shelby ain't been on it. But I'm home by myself today because I had to go to court. I ain't scheduled myself for work. So I'm home by myself. So I'm about to just get my house clean. I'm gonna cook something, I think. I don't feel like cooking, but we'll see. If I get there, if I get to that status of being the cook, I'll show y'all. But for right now, I need to clean up my spaces. I mean, I got clothes that need to be folded. I'm a normal person, just like y'all. Ain't nothing perfect about me, and y'all about to see that, all right? Come with me. Let's get this house clean. We gotta do it. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to be gaining new friends every day. So I'm going to try to give y'all something new and different every day. If you didn't know, this is a channel about my life, my everyday life, my life as a mother, my life as a business owner, my life as a full-time worker, and my life as a up-and-coming content creator. Today I'm organizing my house, and I always have to open up these windows to get this good, beautiful, free sunshine. So stick around, watch me clean up, get a little organization going on because it's been chaotic. And then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more. So look, I decided I'm gonna take me a little water break. Oh, that water good. And a little sausage breakfast break because I ain't ate nothing today. And I got up and decided I was cleaning up like I had the energy. I don't have it. You ever get like right towards the end of cleaning and you don't feel like it no more? If I sit down, that's it. So I'm gonna just drink this water, rehydrate, get some food in my system, and get back to it. Because I'm almost done. I don't feel like it. That's all. you.